sunfish.
I see him. If you want to send it, send it. I see him. He's right there.
No, it's up higher, Cutter. They're just following the bobber. Yeah, they're up there messing with the bobber. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but it's going down.
It's not that big. It's not going nowhere. It hasn't got the hook yet. This is like whoop, whoop, whoop.
All right, bring him in. Right there. Oh, a little caddy.
Oh.
Whoa.
What the hell?
How did... Maybe that's why the...
Stabit did buy one last time.
We gotta grab him. Kind of like that. Okay. That's it?
Yep, that's it.
This is Colby's
Second
catch,
fish.
not mine. Say goodbye to Mr. Kid. Right there. Yeah!
Big giggy.
Bluegill.
This is what sucks, because like if they float around, it'll fucking hook me. Ouch, just like that.
Goodbye. It's catch number 3 of the day?
Yeah.
Is it in there deep?
Yep. Stop it. Oh, you swallowed it, dude.
I don't want to get hooked, but... Oh, shit. Here. Come here, Mr. Fishy. Because they have the barbs on the back, right?
Yep. Oh yeah, he choked it.
Right there.
Yep, he fucking choked it.
Nice. Here's your fish, sir.
I don't want it.
You don't want it? Okay. Goodbye. I'm gonna need some bobber. Like, way over there. He tried to spike me. I shall let him free.